guys, they are not showing you how to use Yoast SEO plugin in WordPress to write a very strong SEO title. So first log into the WordPress dashboard and head over to plugins and click on add plugin to add your Yoast SEO. Here just search for Yoast SEO and click on install and activate. But before we continue, please guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help us post more helpful guides and tutorials. And thanks. Now just proceed to page. For here, for example, page, click on page and head over to add page, and here just will be directed to customize the first page. For example, add a title, how to cook meat, for example, in air fryer. This is a very normal title. Now let's head over to Yoast SEO, and readability is good, but URLs needs improvement. So here just click on how to cook meat in air fryer, and how this all are improvements for Yoast SEO. So let's go to Yoast SEO configuration. For example, let's see SEO analysis is bad. So read out images and target descriptions or these SEO options, but you can also follow the focus key phrase at the same title here to make the title more SEO friendly. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you want to add an image to your article here, just make sure to add the article title this in the article image field. This is pretty much it, guys. So if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.